Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and make sure you click on that bell notification icon so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions video on new products that just launched on Sephora.com. This is going to feature a wide variety of products from Fresh, Glow Recipe, Herbivore, Biossance, and Tatcha. So if you want to know how these products worked out on my skin, let's just dive into this first impressions. Let's get down and dirty, you guys. Just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the first product that I want to try for you guys is actually the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. This just came out. It retails for $33 at Sephora and on the Fresh.com website. I'm really excited to try this because the Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Wash, honestly, when I first thought of this, I thought it was like the black seeds on the strawberry that, or the, are they black or yellow? They're like yellow. Anyway, I don't know, in my mind, that's what I thought I was going to be exfoliating with, but I just like, reading the title, it says Sugar Strawberry. The thing with this is that it's a sugar exfoliant, but it also has like strawberry extract in it, which is gonna refine and soften the skin. I'm not gonna get too much into the science of these products. I'm just gonna give you like a generalized summary. I really just want to experience the product and see what it's about, you know? So, like always, this is a new product. It is sealed, as is everything else in this video, for the record. So I'm just gonna peel that off. And I've actually been looking for a new exfoliator, so I'm actually really excited to try this. It's been sitting on my vanity literally for like a week and a half now, and I've been really curious, but I really wanted to film this video for you guys. First, I'm gonna wet my face. I do have a bowl of water in front of me. It is like warm. It's not cold water. I don't really wash my face with cold water. I tend to only use warm water. So now that my face is damp, I'm just gonna go in with some of the product. I'm just gonna dispense that on my hand. Okay, it's a little bit more of a gel. I feel like I was expecting more of like a rougher, I don't know, I think like in my mind I was thinking the walnut scrub from IGK, like the hair scrub. So I was expecting like thicker granules, but kind of wouldn't make sense, right? Because it's for your face. I feel like that would be too intense. So it's a little goopy. Okay, you guys, so first impression, the smell is so beautiful. It smells like strawberries. It smells like a salad. I don't know, like a delicious fruit salad. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, I could literally rub this on my face all day. It's a very soft scrub. It's not going to be like an aggressive one. It's very gooey and it does warm up on the skin. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off because it's getting in my eye. I'm probably gonna take this off camera. So first impressions, it smelled absolutely amazing. It did a really nice job of exfoliating my skin. It feels so smooth, like a baby's skin, like baby skin. The only thing I will say is that it did dry my face out a little bit, but that's normal with an exfoliant like this. It is super gentle. Like I didn't feel like it was like hurting my skin at all. I know that I have like a Dr. Brandt one that's like a chemical exfoliant, and it has the granules in it because it's got lactic acid and glycolic, and that one's really, it can be really painful sometimes because if I rub too hard, I have very sensitive skin. I do get a lot of redness. I don't experience any redness from this. I'm looking at myself on the viewfinder. It looks really good. I really like this. This is definitely a win for me, and for $33, bomb. I'm gonna go into the new Sephora Glycolic Acid Glow Peel Pads. This is supposed to be radiant and smooth skin. It has natural glycolic acid from sugarcane, known to exfoliate and smooth the skin, natural peptides from marine algae, known to firm the skin, and natural aloe vera, known to soothe the skin. So it's a little bit of an anti-aging treatment. The glycolic acid in this is going to help to exfoliate the top layer of skin. This is totally safe for everyday use, in my opinion, just because these pads tend to be a lot more gentle than like anything else. Again, brand new. I'm just gonna take some. So this is like Sephora's version, and I think it's like a lot more affordable than First Aid Beauty. And then I'm trying to think of what other brand just came out with like glow pads. So I'm really excited to try these because I actually used to love the First Aid Beauty ones, and I used to use them on clients all the time when I did makeovers at the Sephora beauty studio, because a lot of clients don't actually take care of their skin, and so they go in to get makeup done, and then they're like, well, my skin doesn't look like your skin. And obviously I use a shit ton of skincare products that help to exfoliate my skin, and some people just don't exfoliate. I'm just gonna go in and start applying this. It doesn't burn at all. Sometimes some of these like glycolic pads will burn. I will say that the only places it burns is where I shaved. That is normal, just because obviously I shaved and like technically I'm making like tiny little cuts on my face with my razor, but everywhere else it feels fine. I'm not a big fan of the smell. It just smells like chemicals. Nothing crazy. I'm just using one pad. One pad went a long way. It didn't dry out. I find that sometimes when I have used pads in the past, it tends to like dry out on me halfway through my one side of my face, and I'm like, what is going on? This is 60 pads in a container. That is 2 months worth of product because you only need them during the day in the morning, I feel, before your makeup routine. I wouldn't use this at night. I feel like at night you should actually go with a glycolic or lactic treatment or some type of chemical exfoliant. They retail for $7, you guys. That is insane. The Radiance Pads from First Aid Beauty retail for $30. I am already like on board with these for $7. That is a steal. Okay, you guys, so the next thing that I have is a couple oils. If you guys don't know, you're actually supposed to use any type of beauty oil as your first step after washing your face so that the skin absorbs it. In this case, I did do a treatment, which was the glow pads from Sephora collection. Those are going to be my first step, and now I'm going to go in with the oil. I have the Prism and Emerald from Herbivore, and then I have the Squalene and Tea Tree Oil Balancing Oil, which visibly clears, calms, and hydrates the skin. I'm going to go in with Prism first because it's an exfoliating glow potion. I believe this retails for like $40. It's a rainbow of natural fruit essences and hydrating botanical waters. Gently resurface, even skin tone, improve texture, increases clarity, and boosts hydration for your best skin yet. So this is another product that has a bilberry lactic acid, sugarcane glycolic, orange peel citric. So it's got vitamin C. So this is going to be like a vitamin C oil. It is clear out of the bottle. I'm just gonna go in with like 1 or 2 drops. I'm just gonna take it on my fingers. It's goopier than I thought. I'm just gonna take that and start pressing it in. It smells very fruity. It doesn't smell bad. It smells actually really good. It's not as good as the fresh one. Always bring down your product into your necklatage, your neck. It absorbed pretty quickly into my skin. I will say that it is a little sticky. That's my only real main concern. I don't hate it though because it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. You know how some oils you'll put on and your skin just feels really like gross and like thick and goopy? This doesn't feel like that on the skin. I feel like my skin really absorbed it. It did leave it a little tacky, but maybe that'll go away. So I'm gonna let that sit on the skin a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go into the Biossance Tea Tree Balancing Oil. This is supposed to just offer like hydration and balance your skin out. So I'm just gonna, well, first I'm gonna smell it. It smells like tea tree. I love the smell of tea tree, you guys. When I put it on my fingers, okay, so this is more of an oil. So the other one was more of like a thicker consistency. This is literally an oil. Very hydrating because I can feel it on my hands, but it does absorb nicely into the skin. I'm using whatever like I have left to apply it to my skin. Because it has tea tree oil, it is going to help calm the skin. Squalene is going to help soothe skin. And let me actually just read the box, you guys. I don't know why I'm using up all my brain power right now to tell you guys what this does. Formulated with the power of tea tree to help reduce the appearance of blemishes, enlarge pores, and other imperfections, to hydrating to restore skin depleted by harsh products. So this is just going to help balance your skin. So if you're like me and you use way too much fucking glycolic on your skin and you're just burning your skin off with retinol every night, then this is going to help soothe that and just give you an overall balanced complexion. And as you guys see, that gave me a little bit of a sheen. My skin's definitely glowing now. I don't feel like I got that from the Prism, which is Herbivore's glow potion, but I definitely got it from this one. I feel like this tea tree one is really nice. It really feels hydrating. I wasn't expecting that because a lot of tea tree stuff tends to dehydrate the skin, so I'm a little impressed by that. Next, we're gonna go into the Pineapple Seabright Serum. This is from Glow Recipe. I believe this retails for like $55. I recently saw Jeffree Star reviewing this and I was intrigued. Okay, so when I open it, it does have beautiful little pineapples inside the box. The box is so cute. It is $55. This packaging is everything, you guys. It is so cute. This should sit on someone's vanity looking gorgeous. Okay, so I will say to you guys that when I have smelled this in store, I used to think it smelled really good. It smelled like pineapple juice or something. And then someone told me it smelled like soy sauce. And now it will forever smell like soy sauce to me. So this does smell like soy sauce. Well, it doesn't really, but to me it does. I can't unsmell the soy sauce is what I'm saying. So this is more of a goopy consistency. It's definitely like a little bit thicker than an oil. I'm just gonna take that on my fingertips and just press it into my skin. Yeah. It smells like really fermented pineapples, which is the equivalent in my mind to, oh my god, you know what it smells like, you guys? If you guys know me, I love Panda Express. They have the sweet fire chicken breast, which has the pineapple chunks with the chicken, and it's spicy, but you got the pineapples in there. This is what it smells like. This smells like sweet fire chicken breast from Panda Express. You cannot tell me otherwise. That is what it smells like, and that's what this is. This is the essence of the sweet fire chicken breast from Panda Express. You know, like when you're cooking and then you got the oils in the pan, they took that and put it into this bottle and just bleached it yellow. Okay, I'm just effing with you guys, but that is literally what it smells like to me. That's why it smells like soy sauce. Oh my god. Okay, I really like this. This feels so nice on the skin. It feels hydrated. I'm not too sure how much vitamin C you get in this. Okay, so in this you get the pineapple juice, which is a potent source of natural vitamin C. It's a natural AHA, and the enzymes help to brighten, smooth, and hydrate the skin. So that's already beautiful because it's going to be anti-aging. There's 3 types of vitamin C for maximum potency and brightening. This antioxidant-rich vitamin helps fight free radical damage. It has chamomile, so that's going to calm and soothe the skin from any type of irritation. So if you have sensitive skin, this is going to be amazing for you guys because the chamomile is going to help soothe the skin, including if you have some redness, this is going to help with that. It does hydrate and plump the skin because it has hyaluronic acid. And then vitamin E is an antioxidant-rich vitamin E, nourishes and hydrates skin to support a healthy skin barrier. I really like the way this feels on my skin. Like, if you guys can see, it definitely added a lot more boost of hydration than anything else I used. I really like the way it feels on my skin. My skin feels hydrated. It does feel a little tacky, but I've been using a lot of products, so whatever. It feels good. I really like this one. I think this is a win for me. Your recipe for glass skin is what it claims onto something. But again, my one concern is that it smells like freaking sweet fire chicken breast. But that was good. I like that. Okay, so the next product is something that I've actually been really excited about. I have been wanting to try the Tatcha moisturizer. Up until now, they only had the other one, which is the water cream, which is more for oily combo skin, and I'm dry. So they just came out with the Dewy skin cream. This is supposed to be an ultra hydrating and anti-aging replenishing Japanese purple rice. That's what it's made with. A smooth cream envelops skin with rich hydration and seals in moisture while nourishing botanical extracts impart a dewy glow. It has Okinawa algae to help replenish ceramides and visibly plump and supple skin. The purple rice is a strong antioxidant. It boosts the skin's natural defense against environmental stressors. And Hadase 3, a trio of anti-aging Japanese superfoods, reveals healthy looking youthful radiance. I'm really excited about this, you guys, because I've been wanting to try it. Tatcha, just skincare, their skincare in general, for a very long time, and I've never really gotten into it. I felt like when I worked at Sephora, I never really gave Tatcha a chance because I just felt like it was so overhyped in my mind. Not to say that it is or that it isn't, because it definitely is overhyped for a lot of their products. This packaging though, their packaging is everything, you guys. Like, oh, it's so pretty. So the one product from Tatcha that I absolutely love is their Radiant C Mask, which is a vitamin C mask. It's a purple container. It makes my skin feel so smooth and beautiful and radiant. So I'm really excited to try this. I'm just gonna open that up. I'm gonna take the little spatula, which I just think is so cute that it comes with a little spatula for you to not have to dip your fingers in here. And I'm just gonna take a little bit. It does have a purple tinge to it. I love the packaging and I love the way this smells. It does have a little bit of fragrance in it, but the fragrance is at the bottom of the ingredient list. I normally don't really like products with fragrance in them. If I could buy a product that doesn't have fragrance, I would much prefer that. I don't hate this. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to my skin. This does feel a lot nicer. It's very soothing. It goes on really nice. It feels really good on my dry skin. It's definitely adding moisture, but it doesn't feel sticky. My face feels so smooth, you guys, like that. Fresh exfoliator is the bomb.com. I feel like if you guys were questioning whether or not I had a glow, I do now. My skin looks so glowy, so healthy. This is definitely a product that I'm going to be using daily because I really like the way it feels on the skin. Obviously, I know I used a lot of products today. It is a first impressions video after all. I really like the way this moisturizer feels though. It glided onto the skin. Some moisturizers literally skip as you're like applying it, or they feel too thick or too rich. I was literally just talking about this yesterday. Some moisturizers are so thick and like creamy, and then you still feel dry. My skin feels so moisturized after applying that. I don't need more. And I used a little bit went a long way. I'm shook with the moisturizer. So lastly, I got the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Obviously, you guys have probably used this before. I have not. So with this guy, it's a bestseller. It's honestly amazing. I've used this before. I'm just gonna set my skin basically with this. Obsessed. Leaves your skin so dewy, so beautiful, so refreshed. So overall, you guys, we tried 7 different products today. The number 1 product out of all of this was the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. Honestly, the bomb.com, it left my skin so smooth, so beautiful, and it didn't dehydrate my skin, and that is amazing. But best of all, you guys, it smells so good. It literally smells like a fruit salad. It smells so good. I could literally rub that on my skin all day. Just kidding, you should not do that. But this is the win for me. I would definitely repurchase this as I run out. I'm going to be using this every day because my skin felt so beautiful. The second favorite product would probably be the Radiance Pads from Sephora collection, just because they're $7 and you get 60 pads. That's at least 1 month of day and night use, or 2 months if you only use it in the morning. That is insane, you guys. $7 and you get your lactic and glycolic acid, which is going to help to beautify the skin by taking off that top surface layer of dead skin cells that just sit on top and leave the skin looking ratchet. This is going to help make that skin look beautiful. I would definitely repurchase more of these, and I definitely encourage you guys to, because it's a great way to be introduced to glycolic and lactic acids at an affordable price, because it's only $7, you guys. My third favorite product that I probably used out of all of this was the moisturizer. This moisturizer left my skin feeling super soft and supple. It moisturized my skin and gave me enough hydration without making me feel greasy. Just felt so good, you guys. I can't even explain it because I've tried so many different moisturizers and it did not moisturize, or they don't moisturize my skin enough. This was so lightweight but still gave me the moisture I needed. I'm shook. The only con to this is that it does have a little bit of fragrance, but I'm willing to overlook that if the product works. So with the last 3 products, I don't hate them, I don't love them. With the Pineapple Sea Bright Serum, I'm sure it's amazing. For me, I have so many brightening serums. Did I think this was amazing? No. The packaging is cute and it'll appeal to a certain demographic of people that are looking for a vitamin C serum. I think I prefer my vitamin C serums to be more into like a lotion than I like it to be like something like this. This is like a real serum. It's very like goopy. I prefer more of like a thicker cream-like serum than I do this. And not that I don't like it, it's just my personal preference. I prefer more of a cream. Prism was okay. This is another case of a glow potion like this where I'm not a big fan of like goopy serums and oils. I prefer more of a lotion, like a lightweight lotion that just sits on top. I will say out of both of these, because both of these kind of do the same thing as far as like glycolic acid, brightening, enzymes, I will say I probably like the Glow Recipe more than I like the Prism. I was a little underwhelmed by the Prism because I have heard a lot of great stuff about Prism and how it's amazing and herbivore and how they're, I believe they're vegan and clean. Just packaging alone, the pineapple wins for me. This looks boring. It's clear. Why? Why is it clear? I would definitely go for the Glow Recipe more than I would for this. I would definitely have to give these a couple more shots, and I'll obviously be incorporating them into my skincare routine because I already opened them and I don't like products going to waste. Unless it just like breaks me out or gives me some type of reaction, then that's when I stop using products. But at nighttime, for my nighttime routine, that's when I tend to be more live on the wild side and try new products. Not so much my morning routine because I need my makeup to last me all day. I really like the Biosun Squalene Tea Tree Balancing Oil. This is not, just because I'm listing it last doesn't mean that it's not one of my favorites. It's just I don't really have acne anymore, but I think this would be great for someone that does have that. It's going to help balance your skin out. I would definitely be using this and trying this out whenever I burn my face off with retinol or when I have really dehydrated skin to see if it's actually hydrating and balancing. You know where I want to use this? I want to use this on my scalp because my scalp's always dry. I wonder if I could use this on that. I'm going to try this out on that. Those are honestly my honest reviews. These 3 are the winners. These are the ones that you should be getting. These are definitely worth every penny. This does stand out. Like I said, I liked it. I wasn't in love. And none of my opinion is to say that these products are bad. The ones that didn't get high ratings, I wasn't impressed basically. And that's my own personal opinion. If you like this type of video where I sit down and do a first impressions of new products that you can find at Sephora, let me know down below and definitely give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Make sure you click that bell notification icon so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you watch this video all the way to the very end, let me know down below product you're wanting to try that just launched, what product you've been wanting to try that you just haven't gotten around to. Let me know down below because maybe I have or maybe I want to try it, and if you want to try it, maybe I can try it for you. So let me know down below, and until next time, you guys, Decay out.